HVAC and Appliance Repair Guide to Google Maps Ads and Promoted Pins. Hey there, HVAC and appliance repair business owners. Are you tired of watching potential customers disappear down the rabbit hole of competitor search results? Well, grab your tool belts and prepare to dominate your local market, because today we're unlocking the secrets of Google Maps ads. What are Google Maps ads? Imagine this. Someone's oven throws a tantrum, the fridge starts singing opera, and their AC takes a permanent siesta. In their moment of desperation, they whip out their phone and search for help. Bam! Your business pops up right at the top of the map, like a shining knight in appliance armor. That's the magic of Google Maps ads. They put your business directly in front of customers searching for your services, right when they need you most. Why should you care? Well, let's just say these ads aren't just fancy digital flyers. They're like lead magnets on steroids. Attract more qualified leads. Say goodbye to tire kickers. Target the right customers in your area with laser precision. Boost your visibility. Climb the local search ladder and leave your competitors in the dust. Stand out from the crowd. Showcase your expertise with eye-catching ads that scream, "Trust me, I'm your appliance hero." Track your results like a pro. See what's working, what's not, and tweak your campaign for maximum impact. But wait, there's more. Our epic blog post dives deep into the world of Google Maps ads, like a map maker exploring uncharted territory. We'll cover the nitty-gritty of how these ads work, demystify the tech lingo, and learn how to make them work for you. Targeting tools for appliance warriors. Reach the customers who actually need your services, not just window shoppers. Bullseye, step-by-step guide to launch your campaign. No sweat, no tears, just clear instructions to get your ads up and running like a well-oiled machine. Insider tips and tricks to dominate local search. Learn the secret sauce to keep your ads at the top of the map and convert leads into loyal customers. So, are you ready to conquer your local market and become the go-to hero for all things HVAC and appliance repair? Click the link in the description below to dive into our blog post and unleash your local SEO dominance. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks to help your business thrive. Remember, HVAC and appliance repair business owners, with Google Maps ads and the right strategies, you can turn local searches into loyal customers. Let's go. Thanks for hanging in there, you heroic HVAC and appliance warriors. Remember, the key to dominating your local market is out there, waiting to be unlocked. Grab your tool belts, dive into that blog post, and let's conquer the search game together. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and keep it locked to the appliance experts for more repair tips, business boosting strategies, and maybe even a few appliance puns thrown in for good measure. See you next time.